Let Hooper take a turn.
Hooper drives the boat, Chief. Stop playing with yourself, Hooper. Slow ahead, if you please.
You heard him? Slow ahead. Slow ahead. I can go slow ahead. Calm down some of this shit. You're gonna need a bigger boat.
Shut off that engine.